Let's pour a bowl of eggs directly into the pot and then. The moment you put the lid on the pot and take the eggs out of the pan is the most delicious new way to eat them. I bet you haven't seen it before. No more. Eat. This is a dish served at our rural banquets. First, let's crack a few more eggs into the bowl. There are about 15 eggs here. However, there are some rules to follow when beating eggs. We shouldn't. Next to the basin. Knock on the round spot we're looking for. With a snap, it pried open with both hands. Look at the dirt on the shell. It won't fall in easily, and the seasoning is very simple afterwards. We only need to put a tiny bit of this edible ingredient inside. Salt, then we prepared it in advance. The minced meat, minced ginger, and this scallion. Pour it all in. Pour it all in. Next, let's add some more of this powder. Z on our side. I don't know what you guys think, calling it Sanzi. What's that called over there? Let's just have a little bit. If you can't buy this, you can also add some fried dough twists or fried rice, that works too. We just crushed it up like that and then they put it inside. Next it's like melting it for him. You see, I share my cooking experience and tips here every day. If this has helped your cooking skills even a little bit, could you please give me a like? Want attention and encouragement? Support my little sister. She's already updated with dozens of recipes without me even realizing it. If you like them, it's okay if the older brothers and sisters don't know how to do it. Yes, you can check his sister's profile, he can't find her. Just give it to the old man. Sister, please follow me so it'll be easier for you to find me. I'm here. Thank you everyone. Next, we'll prepare a non-stick frying pan. They put some oil on the grenade and then we'll turn the heat up high to heat the oil, but not too hot. After the oil is heated, we turn it. Turn the fire to the lowest setting and then pour all of our egg mixture into the pot like this. Let's take a closer look at this key point. Find a spoon to cut this pot. We gently push it forward to ensure even heating of the bottom. We push the half-cooked egg up to him like this so it wouldn't burn. It tastes even better that way. When it's partially solidified like this, look, put us here. Let me tidy him up first. Form a individual. Round is good. Then, here, we'll get a spoonful of lard on the side. The taste of our childhood. Then we put the lid on the pot. That's it. Gently shake it to ensure even heating on all sides. I've been turning it for about 2 minutes. This time, then we give the fire. He turned it off, but remember, don't let him open the lid again. Let him stay here for 5 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Fruit. How about it? We've been suffocating for 5 minutes now. Let's open the lid and take a look. Wow, look. Not very pretty, but the fragrance came out instantly. At this point, we flip it over. But there are many older brothers. The ladies don't know how to choose a card, so let me teach you a little trick. Let's find a flat card first. We just turned it upside down on this. Then give it a quick 3-2-1, and see if you can easily turn the tables. This. Then we put it in the pot and fry it. If your pan is non-stick, you don't need to add anything. If you don't like oily food, you don't need to add oil. You can do it like me. Spray a little oil on your hands on the side, then Continue frying over low heat until both sides are golden brown. Let's take a look. Pan fried until golden brown on both sides. Then we can take it out of the pot. We put it on a cutting board and let it cool naturally. Then we cut it into these diamond-shaped pieces. You see? Snap and pop. You usually use it to make a 3-delicacy soup. It can be stir-fried or stewed. Doesn't this lobster chicken cake look incredibly appetizing? If it's out of 100, how many points would you give me? I'll treat you guys to a taste first. How does it taste? It looks soft and fluffy. It's really delicious and highly recommended. I suggest you try it. Follow me so your cooking won't fail.